Prosecutors today disclosed that they are trying to locate two crucial exhibits in the trial of 3 policemen in the Clarendon Police Death Squad case. During the display of photographs taken at the crime scene, Indicom prosecutors told the court that they are trying to locate 2 spent shell casings found in the house in which Andrew Bisson, the man whose murder spawned the case, was killed. Defense attorneys had requested that the exhibits be shown to the court. However, lead prosecutor Caroline Hay told a trial judge, Chief Justice Brian Sykes, that the casings were not available. This did not sit well with the Chief Justice, who reminded the prosecution that it told the court that forensic evidence was a crucial part of its case against the policeman. He said the Director of Public Prosecutions and Indicom should know where the exhibits are. During today's hearing, the court was shown a photograph of a mask inside the house in which Mr. Bisson was shot. Prosecutors claim Mr. Bisson was among a group of men detained at a garage during a police operation in Cornpeace, Clarendon. He was reportedly taken from the group and shot in a nearby house.